This is the control panel of the um, fire truck. This is where you operate and get delivered and get results. So these are the buttons that you need to understand one after the other in order to operate this machine. So it's very simple and straight to the point. So for anyone that is interested to go through the tutorial, we are ready to put anyone through. It's a very simple machine. It's not complicated. It's straight to the point, and it delivers results. It's among the best fire truck you can think of.